Hello, bonjour, my name is Emma Jane and I will be teaching you French in all of these videos. Today we're talking about the sentence l'important c'est de, which in English translates to what's important is, or the main thing is that. I'm going to repeat it in French. L'important c'est de. So literally translated, it says the important thing is that, is to. Let's move on to some examples. There we go. Okay, so l'important c'est de s'amuser. L'important c'est de s'amuser. The important thing is to have fun. L'important c'est de s'amuser. We've already had the verb s'amuser in the past. It's to have fun, to enjoy yourself. So, l'important, c'est de s'amuser. The important thing is to have fun. Then we have ce qui compte, c'est de rester vivant. L'important, c'est de rester vivant is the same thing as ce qui compte, c'est de rester vivant. What matters is to stay alive. The important thing is to stay alive. Ce qui compte, or l'important, c'est de rester vivant. Vivant is alive and rester is to stay. Then we have l'important, c'est de participer. L'important, c'est de participer. The important thing is to participate, is to be a part of it. L'important, c'est de participer. Participer. Then we have l'important, c'est de tenir votre parole. L'important, c'est de tenir votre parole. The important thing is to keep your promise. Votre parole, parole also means just talking, the noun of talking, but we also use it to say a promise. L'important, c'est de tenir votre parole. Parole is also used as lyric. So if you say c'est quoi les paroles? What are the lyrics to this song? C'est quoi les paroles? Then we have a little quote from Valérie Guignabaudet, and it says ce n'est pas le but qui compte, c'est le chemin. Ce n'est pas le but qui compte, c'est le chemin. What matters is not the goal, but the journey. Ce n'est pas le but qui compte, c'est le chemin. So, if you use l'important, it would be ce n'est pas le but qui est important, c'est le chemin. Ce n'est pas le but qui est important, c'est le chemin. What matters is not the goal, what's important is not the goal, but the journey. Then we have one of my personal favorites, because I like to be on time. L'important, c'est d'arriver à l'heure. L'important, c'est d'arriver, arriver à l'heure. À l'heure. L'important, c'est d'arriver à l'heure. The important thing is to be on time. The important thing is to get there on time. Arriver is to arrive or to get there. So the important thing is to arrive on time. Some of these sentences sound a bit weird in English, especially the important thing is to have fun, whatever. These are things that we commonly use in French to cheer people up. So when you lose a game, when you're in a competition or whatever, we usually say l'important c'est de s'amuser. What matters is to have fun, or l'important c'est de participer. L'important c'est de participer. What's important is to participate. The rest doesn't matter. As long as you had fun and you participated, then we're good. It's not that important. Now, here are the words that we use. S'amuser, like I said, we already saw. S'amuser, s'amuser, to have fun, to enjoy yourself. Then we have rester vivant, to stay alive, rester vivant. We have just rester. I divided the verb in two just so you knew from where it came from. So we have rester, which means to stay, and vivant is alive. It's the adjective to say alive. Then we have important, which means important. It's the same word in English and in French, it's just pronounced differently. Important. Then we have participer, participer, to participate. to be a part of it. Tenir sa parole. Tenir sa parole is to keep your word, to keep your promise. So, tenir sa parole. The next one is but. We use this a lot when we watch soccer, so it means goal, and it's the same if it's a spiritual goal or the actual goal on a soccer field. So, a but is the goal. Then we have compter. Compter can be translated to counting. So on your fingers, counting something, or counting on someone. So counting on someone, compter. Or in this context, we use it to say to matter. Ça compte pour moi, it matters to me. Compter. Cela compte pour moi. It matters to me. Then we have le chemin. Un chemin is a way or a path or a journey. Then we have arriver, which is pretty close to the English word as well, to arrive. Arriver, arriver. And then we have à l'heure, which goes together, and we use it to say on time. À l'heure. Arriver à l'heure. To arrive on time, to be on time. Arriver à l'heure. Thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir écouté, and I will see you in the next video.